everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So I got some happy mail from the North Pole. You know who lives at the North Pole? Laura. And that Santa guy. All right, so this is from Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming. Hi, Laura. All right, so it came in this bag. This bag. That's my box number there. Anyway, it came in this bag because the box was damaged that she sent. I hope there's nothing missing. Let me know, Laura, if anything fell out. There's a phone number on here to call to, complain. But anyway, I have not looked. And let's see what we have here. Okay, it's just box numbers, so maybe I can show it to you. But yeah, this is how it was in that package that the mail service put it in. All right. So, I mean, this thing is clear open. I don't even have to use skizzers or nothing. All right, I hope there's nothing missing. But thank you, Laura, so much for thinking of me. Of course, I'll have Laura's channel linked, Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming, so make sure you check it out. Okay. Darla, that's me. Okay. Oh, pretty card. Pretty, very pretty. Oops, upside down. Very pretty. Look at all the pretty flowers. Okay. Oh. So Laura wrote, saw this and thought of you. Love you, Darla. Oh, love you back, Laura. Laura just put up a video not long ago. It was, I think it was a knit book of all kinds of hats. Oh my goodness, beautiful. I think is it knitting, Laura? I can't remember, but incredible designs of hats. Yeah, awesome. Okay, saw this and thought of you. So anyway, go check out that video of hers if you haven't seen it. So, okay, we have this. Look at that beautiful paper in there. Can you hear that? Sounds like Santa's bells. All right. Okay. Oh, I love this paper. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness, is this ever cute? Oh my goodness. Look at this, you guys. It's an owl. Oh my, a keychain. It's got a bell. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, let me see what this says on here. Barney the Owl helps you make wise choices. It says kamibashi.com. That's KAMIBASHI.com. The String Doll Gang, Barney the Owl. Handmade in Thailand. Ever cool. Oh my gosh, I love his feet. Let me see. Look at him. Look at him. Look at his feet. Ever cute. I love him, Laura. Thank you so much. This is like yarn balls. Yeah. Yarn balls. Oh, and look, I guess they frayed the yarn to make little ears on both sides. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Cute nose, and he's got some, looks like leather type wings. Let's see the back. Oh, it's just a piece of yellow yarn sitting there. Okay. That's the back of him. Oh my gosh, I love him. I love him. Look at those eyes. Oh my gosh, this is great. Oh, thank you so much, Laura. Thank you for the beautiful card. Thank you for thinking of me. I can't get over him. He's just so darn cute. Where are you gonna go? If I hang him in the mirror of hubby's truck, that bell's gonna drive him nuts. Unless I take the bell off, but I don't want to do that. Oh, that is so cute. Thank you so much, Laura. Oh my goodness. I gotta figure out where to put him. Thank you so, so much. Thank you for, seeing him and thinking of me and then buying him and then sending him to me. Oh my goodness. Thank you so, so much. Okay. Oh, this. I have a tutorial for this. I'll link it below. It's just a little summer cardi, actually. Okay. Wow, that was great. Thank you so much, Laura. Oh, I love him so much. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm working on another video and stuff like that. You know how things happen, like hurricanes and stuff? Well, it didn't happen here in central Canada, but happened in different places, and please keep everyone in your prayers. All right, thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.